Here I have LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap here, then go to its settings, and here you have an option Selfie Mirror. So when you have this feature enabled, like basically your selfie photos will be mirrored, and when you have it disabled, obviously it will be just normal photos. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.